Oh, Jesus. I'm not sure what's in that. Whatever it is, man, the minute I took that out, he went nuts all over it. Is that good? Starting to beat up Santa? He fell off the bed. He's playing with it so much. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh. Hi, Psycho. Oh my God, no, I do not want to be a part of that one, that mess. You're kind of getting a little violent with Santa. Boy, he likes that toy, though. I went to PetSmart, got the dog some cookies, and I got him a thing of, I got him a little stocking full of cat toys. Boy, he started going after that stocking like nothing. Woof. I'm watching I have no idea which version of the Nutcracker. Whoa-ly macanoli! I definitely think he needs a shower after Christmas, that's for sure. He looks like he's got into a fight with a vacuum cleaner and lost. Is that neat? Do you like that? Was that cool? Do you like your toys? Oh, he gets. Oh, shish. Shocked me. He's got the dry fur. Little staticky. Holy cow. Okay, I guess I'm trimming those nails again. I assume there's catnip. There's some good catnip in there. I assume. Yeah. Oh, God. He only usually gets this way after a good poop. And that's only for a couple of minutes. Or like 60 seconds. It's like, woo! You know, you have a good poop and your pants fit better. Whoa, he's got to be going down. Holy shnikes. Get it back over here, honey. You and that. Hey, baby. Yeah, I'm watching Nutcracker. I'm watching the cat go crazy with the cat toy. All right. Merry Christmas, everybody.